Hi, it is nice to be back for the second part of this lesson on grammatical names. If you had not seen the first part, I advise that you visit my channel and watch it. This lesson is put together by Emmanuel Joseph. Welcome. A noun phrase is a group of words that can perform the function of a noun, but it does not have a subject and a verb arrangement. In this definition, we notice two important points. The first point is that a noun phrase is a group of words, which performs the function of a noun. The second point is that it does not have a subject and a verb arrangement. In its structure, we will look at the functions that the noun phrase can perform later in this lesson. But, first, what makes up a noun phrase? A noun phrase has a noun, or a pronoun, as its head word. What is a head word? A head word is the most important word in a group of words. It is the word that cannot be removed from the group, if its original idea must remain. This leads us to the structure of the noun phrase. As a structure, the noun phrase has three parts. The first part is the pre-modifier. The second part is the head word. The third part is the post-modifier. The pre-modifier is made of all the words that stand before the head word. The head word, as we said earlier, is the most important word that cannot be deleted from the group, if its original idea must remain. The post-modifier, on the other hand, is made of all the words that stand after the head word, to give additional information to the head word. It is important to add that determiners, adverbs, adjectives and possessive nouns can form part of pre-modifier. In the same way, adjectives, adverbs, prepositional phrases, adverbial phrases and relative clauses can form part of post-modifiers. Take a look at these examples. In example 1, the head word is boy. That means, there, standing before it, is a pre-modifier. In example 2, the head word is children. Some, is a determiner. Greatly, is an adverb. And, raised, is an adjective. All these words stand before the head word, children. Therefore, they all form part of the pre-modifier. In example 3, cat, is the head word. Before cat, there is a word, there. There, is the pre-modifier. After cat, there is a prepositional phrase, on the roof. The prepositional phrase is the post-modifier. What do you think happens in example 4? Well, there, is the pre-modifier. You, is the head word. The post-modifier is a relative clause, that I saw yesterday. We may have noticed in these examples that pre-modifiers did not occur in all the groups. That is right. Pre-modifiers and post-modifiers are not compulsory. The only compulsory element is the head word. Let us move to the functions of the noun phrase. Number 1. The noun phrase can be a subject of a verb in a sentence. A subject is the performer, or the element that the sentence is all about. Some people call it the theme of the sentence. So, the tall boy, as a noun phrase, is a subject of the verb, is, in the sentence. Number 2. A noun phrase can be an object of a verb. We talk about an object when there is a main verb in a sentence. This is because an object suffers, or benefits from the action shown by the main verb. So, in this example, saw, is the main verb. That means, the reckless driver, as a noun phrase, is the object of the verb, saw. Number 3. A noun phrase can be an appositive to another noun or noun phrase. When a noun phrase functions as an appositive, it means that the noun phrase is placed next to another noun, or noun phrase, as an explanation to that other noun, or noun phrase. So, in this example, The noun phrase, my brother, is used to explain the noun, Tony. Number 4. A noun phrase can be a complement to a subject. This means that the noun phrase is used to complete the meaning of the idea in the sentence. A subject complement usually follows a linking verb. So, in the example, a managing director is used to explain who the lady is. But, we can see that, the lady, is the subject. Hence, a managing director is a complement because it follows the linking verb, is, in order to explain, the lady. Number 5. A noun phrase can be a complement to an object. Remember that an object follows a main verb. So, an object complement adds meaning to the object. Look at the example given. Elected is the main verb. Her is the object. A governor adds meaning to her. Hence, a governor is a complement to the object, her. Thank you for watching. The next part of this lesson will consider the prepositional phrase. Make sure you do not miss it. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. Please, like the video and share it. If it made any sense to you, you can reach me using the details on the screen.